Hello, welcome. An actual proton consists of two quarks of type up with charge plus 2/3 and only one quark of type down with charge minus 1/3. So this isn't an actually really happy family. As I have told before, a up quark is the remains of what is the composited type down quark. Since a down quark, despite neutral of charge, ejected an electron beta minus particle and an electron anti-neutrino. So you can understand these poor protons really misses electrons since these electrons were ejected before. Now, fortunately, there are, for example, neutron stars. Stars where baby electrons are born, which usually are emitted in the form of mesons, and these mesons fall apart into muons, which disassemble into electron plus electron neutrino and muon antineutrino. So, take this loneliness of this proton away. A proton will always look for another electron to orbit it. But that is not all. Around every atom, from which a proton is just the most elementary one, there is a shell, which in chemistry is called K shell, L shell, and M shell to begin with. A proton has two up quarks of charge, plus 2/3. So does it surprise you that the K shell, the most primitive shell around an atom core, lost exactly 2 electrons to orbit its composited proton core? I did not simply explain the K shell of protium likes 2 electrons. I explained also why it wants 2 electrons in its outer shell. Although protium is a proton with 1 electron, it still is not a happy family. So this hydrogen protium atom will look for another atom to share the K shell around the protium hydrogen atom core. Now suppose you have 2 hydrogen atoms together. What will they do? Nothing. Unless you give them a happy party to celebrate by giving them another electron, and suddenly those 2 lonely hydrogen protium composited atoms unite into a molecule called H2, hydrogen gas, which all of you know as it is fuel for a hydrogen gas-based vehicle car. Because just 1 electron is necessary to fulfill their loneliness, and now you understand why the K shell in chemistry has place for 2 orbiting electrons, because that is founded inside every proton composited core, from the lonely 2 up quarks with charge plus 2/3. I hope you understand now why in chemistry even the most basic core, yes, well,